This is Pixie doing another video. It's about plants actually. So what have I got here? Basically got some redwoods I'm trying to grow, but they're gonna have to bury them a bit more and then keep them wet. It might take ages to germinate if they're going to work. Yeah, this is from aloe vera, basically an aloe vera plant that I've not looked after properly, and a section of it's come off. But you can still replant it, it's not a problem. I'll shove it in another pot or something. Or I could chop it up and juice it. So I've got a combination of here. I think this is loco. This is a loco weed. Let's have a look. Better zoom it in. There we go. It's already going to flower already. It's quite small. That's quite common. And this little feather's gone to, looks like it wants to flower. We'll have to see what happens. It may be because it's got stressed. Stress causes these kind of things with these type of plants. Hemp. It's got enough water in it because it's got a thing there, so it shouldn't be really so dodgy. Not sure about this one. It's either this other plant I got, medicinal plant. I'm trying to think of it. It's some type of Mexican dream plant, or it's one of the mint type of plants I've got, because I had one that was like licorice mint. I'm just going to grow it, just let it grow. I'm sure I put both in the pot, see. So yeah, there's some other little things in here, but it's not really an ideal environment for them. They're dying off basically. But we've got better weather, so the sun's out now. You feel the rays, so things that wouldn't survive so well do in these kind of different environments. Now, these ones are interesting. I think this is like a Scolomine type plant, and it has these little red bells type flowers. But it's also that thing can be used as turn someone to a zombie or something. You can know all people's brains of it. It's pretty odd stuff. I don't know what's sure about this one. This was one I found in the pot. I found another pot, and so this one here. So I'm just going to, I basically repotted it and give it a bit of sun, see what grows of it. There we go. So there's another one of the Daturas. It's growing taller, but it's not going straight to, it's not budding up like the other one. So this might be the moonflower or Jimson. So I just have to see how that goes, and just quite happy inside a pot. They don't mind watery things too much. They a bit more adapt as a type of weed to survive these type of environments. This plant here is the Brumasia, so it's growing quite well and quite fast. I don't know if I can have a load of these in my flat. They'll probably go crazy. But I've also ordered some other seeds, so I've got a mixture of them. Yet again, these ones are they're delirium. I think they cover a whole spectrum of different things. If someone decided to eat it, it'd be quite potent. But I might do some experiments on it at some point. I think with the flowers, and then just do an extract on them and put them with almost or something and just sell it. That'd be cool. I'm not too sure what this fella is, so I'm gonna have to let it grow and find out. It seems fairly happy. That's a canna. This is the peyotes. It's budding up quite happy. Likes the heat. Some more some hemp and hemp. It looks like it's been gnawed at the end of it. I don't know what's happening to it. And it may be the mint inside there. I think I should have put some mint inside there. There's Californian poppies. So they're just starting to grow up. They're liking they like the pots and they like the heat, so they're quite happy at the moment. This was more successful when the hemp was growing. Just let that middle one grow, and I loosen up the twine on it if needed. That's the San Pedro. That's doing quite well. Here's a bit of a mixture. Got hemp, I've got some other bits and bobs just growing in there. I should have really put more earth in the pot. It's more difficult for them to grow. So if it's a failure, I might just raise up the earth level so it's sort of nearer to the brim, I guess. It's sometimes useful sides of pots because, as you can see with them, they have a tendency to want to grow towards things, and so they're going to use that to grow upwards, so that's not a problem. I've had to put a lot of canes in it just to keep this one going in the middle, because it was just flopping over. As you get with this one here, see, once it's flopped down, it's not going to be much good. So maybe I'll put some twine around a lot of the canes, and keep them growing in the middle, and can't see what else is growing. It seems to be the dominant plant in the pot. There's some other things, but it doesn't seem to be doing so well. There's another Californian poppy, but it's not so happy in this sort of environment. And some other things that look like they've just died off, so it's hit and miss, otherwise I might have to use it as a kind of pot to transfer. There's something down the bottom there actually. What is that? Looks a bit chunkier. Let's explore what he's up to. See if I can get in there without wrecking everything. So we got here, this is, let's make a bit of a hole in it. There we go. Oh, bugger, get out here. Plants always give me jip. So there we go, there's something else growing, I just figure out that is. Because there was several different species of these type of hemps that I put in there, see what happens. So there's the San Pedro, that's just a normal cactus, Gran's cactus. Something else I think my mum gave me actually, I don't know. Another San Pedro hybrid. It's got a magic mushroom head on it. It's not rotten, it's still going, so who knows. And there's one in there in a pot, I'll probably change that at some point. Got these chaps in here. That's probably the Scolomine type plants and other things in here. Just let it grow. Now the weather's a lot warmer. They're just springing up, the seeds are just springing up out of the pot. Looks like there's a California poppy in there as well. So that's good, because it can get quite damp, but with the warmth it's not going to be a problem at all. So it's going to warm the soil and the water in the soil, and it's just going to end up like convection type thing, just moving around. So yeah, and it's like here, you can see that. Something growing inside the pot. Further down, looks like grass probably. Anyway, there's some more gone. So that's the update on the plant so far. And this is me finishing the video. So have a great day and speak to you soon.